Good morning, all respected teachers. How are you, students? I hope all you are fine. Myself, Jyoti Katkade from Kulaba Upper Primary English School, Part A. Students, all of you know the period of COVID-19 is going on. So, our school are not started and you can't attend the school. So, we started online education for you. And MCGM Education Department started this project for you, which is role model for all over Maharashtra state. And it's also helpful to all students, all children from Maharashtra. So this great work is done by our whole team. So thank you to whole team. Now come to our point. Today we are going to learn topic from mathematics, and our topic is operation on rational number. Now, which content we have to cover in today's lesson? See slide on your screen. Which content we have to cover? Okay. See next slide. Our today's content is, first is addition of rational number. Second is subtraction of rational number. Third one is division of rational number. And fourth is multiplication of rational number. Now, which are the objectives? See next slide. Which are the objectives? First objective is students will be able to add and subtract rational number. Then second, student will be able to multiply and divide rational number. And third one is students will be able to find out multiplicative inverse of rational number. Now students, our topic is operation on rational number. So we have to knowledge regarding the numbers. Okay, I think all you are know the numbers. From our childhood we learn the number. Now you will can say me how it is possible. See, our parents ask us some question at the age of our childhood. Parents gives us some toys and ask us how many toys these are. Then we say 1, 2, 3, whatever it will be. Okay, means we learn a number from our childhood, and we learn counting also from our childhood. How? Because we count the toys. Yes or no? Now we know the types of number also. Okay, I think in a previous standard we learn the types of number. Our topic is operation on rational number. That's why it is necessary to know the types of number. Then which are the types of number? See the image on your screen. See, natural number, whole number, integers, and rational number. These are the types. There are more types of number are also, that is irrational number, real number, then odd number, even number. These are the types of number. Now see, there is natural number. The circle of natural number is smaller than whole number, smaller than integers, and smaller than rational number also. Means area of natural number is less than whole number, and area of whole number is greater than the natural number. Now how? See the next image, that is natural numbers. Which are the natural numbers? The number which is started from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the infinity, means the biggest natural number, it's not defined. These all numbers are called as a natural number. Now, which are the whole number? All natural number, including the zero, these all number are called as a whole number. Means whole number is started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These all numbers are called as a whole number. Now, which are the integers? At the bottom of this page, there is given number lines. 0, at the left side of the 0 there is -1, -2, -3 and so on, and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, means all negative number and all positive number and 0. These all numbers are called as integers. Okay, then which are the rational number? The proper definition of rational number is the number which is in the form of a upon b, and a and b are the integers and b is always not equal to 0. These number are called as a rational number. For example, -8 divided by 2. Okay, see, -8 and 2, these both number are integers. I think all of you understand the integers. -8 is negative integers and 2 is positive integers, and condition is b is not equal to 0, means denominator is always not equal to 0, and this given example there is denominator 2, means this is rational number. Now second example, 2 divided by 3, this is also rational number. Why? Because 2 and 3 are the positive integers and denominator is 3, means it's not equal to 0. Do you got it? From this figure we can say that all natural numbers are whole number. Why? Because whole number is started from 0, 1, 2, 3. Means all natural numbers are included in a whole number. Okay. But we can't say all whole numbers are natural number. Why? Because the number 0 is extra in whole number. Okay. Now we can say all natural number, all whole number are integers. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, these values are included in integers, but we can't say all integers are whole number or the all integers are natural number. Why? Because negative numbers are extra in an integer. Okay. Now, last one, all natural numbers, all whole numbers and all integers are included in a rational number. Means from this figure, we can say that all natural number, all whole number and all integers are included in rational number. Okay. Now see next slide. I think all of you got the types of numbers. Okay. Now see, rational numbers are written as like a fraction, but rational number are written as like fraction means in the form of numerator and denominator. Okay, but there is small difference between rational number and fraction. Which is the difference? Fraction are always in a positive, but rational number, it can be negative, it can be positive. Fraction means part of whole. Okay, this is the difference between rational number and fraction. Now, I think all of you know 4 basic operation in a math. Which are the 4 basic operation? Addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. These 4 basic operation. Okay. Now see, first is operation on rational number. Which operation is first? Addition. If you have any doubt, then ask me on in the chat box. Okay. Now there are 2 types of addition of rational number. First one is addition of the rational number having same denominator, and second is addition of the rational number having different denominator. Now first one is addition of same denominator. Now see first example, 8 upon 13 plus 15 upon 13. Here denominator is same. Okay. Now add numerator with the numerator. 8 plus 15 divided by 13. When denominator is same, then add numerator with numerator. 8 plus 15 divided by 13. 8 plus 15 we get 23 divided by 13. Okay. Now, second example, as like this, 31 divided by 55 plus 9 divided by 55. Now see, denominator in given example is same. So add numerator with numerator. In a first number, 31 is numerator, and in second, 9 is numerator. Okay. Now add numerator values 31 plus 9 divided by 55. Now we get 31 plus 9, 40 divided by 55. I think all of you got it. Okay. Now next type of addition is, see next slide, addition of different denominator. Okay. See example, 5 divided by 7 plus 9 upon 11. Here denominator in given example is different, 7 and 11. Okay. Now first of all we have to make denominator of this rational number same. So take the LCM of denominator. 7 and 11 are prime number. Then LCM is 77. Now we have to make denominator 77. What can we do for this? Multiply to 5 divided by 7 by 11. Okay. 5 into 11 divided by 7 into 11 plus multiply to the 9 upon 11 by 7 to make denominator 77. Okay. 9 into 7 divided by 11 into 7. Then next step, 11 5s are 55 and 11 7s are 77 plus 9 7s are 63 and 11 7s are 77. Now our denominator is same, 77, 77. Then add the numerator value with numerator. 55 plus 63, we get 77. And when we add the value 55 plus 63, we get 118 divided by 77. Okay. Then add different denominator in this way. Now second operation is subtraction. Now see on your screen, next slide. Subtraction. There are two types of subtraction also as like addition. Subtraction of rational number having same denominator and subtraction of rational number having different denominator. See example of same denominator. 11 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. As like addition, when denominator is same, then subtract the numerator value. Then 11 minus 5 divided by 7. Then we get 11 minus 5, we get 6. And answer is 6 upon 7. All of you understand it? Now second type is subtraction of rational number having different denominators. See on next slide. Subtraction of different denominator. See example. 1 upon 7 minus 3 upon 4. Here denominator is different, which are 7 and 4. Now first of all we have to make denominator same by taking LCM. I think in last lesson you all are studied how to take LCM. Okay. Now LCM is 28. So to make the denominator 28, we have to multiply 1 upon 7 by 4. Okay. When we multiply to the denominator, then we have to multiply to the numerator value also. Why? Because the main value can't be changed. Okay. When we multiply to the 4, we get equivalent fraction to 1 upon 7. There is no change in a basic fraction. Okay. Now 1 into 4 divided by 7 into 4, we get 4 upon 28. Minus 3 into 7 divided by 4 into 7. Then next step, 4 ones are 4 divided by 4 sevens are 28 minus 7 threes are 23 divided by 7 fours are 28. Now denominator is same 28. Okay. So minus 4 minus 21. When we minus 21 from the 4, we get minus 17. Okay. When plus and minus sign is there, then we have to do the subtraction. But sign to the answer get of the biggest number. Biggest number is 21. That's why we get minus 17 divided by 28. Now, third operation is multiplication. See the next slide. Multiplication. Okay. For example, 9 divided by 13 into 4 divided by 7. In the multiplication, it's very simple. Multiply numerator with numerator and multiply denominator with denominator. Numerator values are 9 and 4. So, multiply 9 into 4 divided by denominator values are 13 into 7. Now, we get 9 4s are 36 and 13 7s are 91. In this way, we can multiply the rational number. Okay. Now, next operation is division. See the next slide of division. For example, 3 divided by 4 divided by 1 upon 8. Now, division is inverse of multiplication. Okay. 3 divided by 4 and I have taken their sign multiplication. Means division is inverse of multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of second rational number. First there is 1 upon 8 and in the next step we take 8 upon 1. Okay. Now next is as like a multiplication. Multiply the numerator value 3 into 8 divided by multiply the denominator value 4 into 1. Then 8 3s are 24 divided by 4 1s are 4. The answer is 24 divided by 4. Now you can divide to 24 by 4 also. Okay. Then we get 4 6 are 24. Means you can write 6 divided by 1 also. Okay. All of you understand this? Now, next one is, next slide, multiplicative inverse. How we can find out the multiplicative inverse? See on your screen. Suppose rational number is P upon Q and we have to take multiplicative inverse of P upon Q. Multiplicative inverse means take the reciprocal of that rational number. Reciprocal means take denominator value as a numerator and take the numerator value as a denominator. Means P upon Q, the reciprocal of P upon Q, we get Q divided by P. See the example. Minus 3 upon 9. Take the reciprocal only. Minus 3 divided by 9. The reciprocal of minus 3 upon 9 is 9 upon minus 3. Okay. There is no change in a sign. Only take reciprocal to take multiplicative inverse. Now, see the next. Practice set 22. Question number 1. Carry out the following addition of rational number. Now we have taken one example of addition. Okay, example number 1. 5 divided by 36 plus 6 divided by 42. Now take the LCM. When we take LCM of 36 upon 42, we get LCM 252. You all are studied in the lesson of LCM and HCF how to take LCM. Okay, the LCM is 252. Now we have to make denominator 252. What we can do? For this, multiply to the 5 divided by 36 by the 7. Then we get 252. And multiply to the 42 by 6. Then we get 252. Now, when we multiply to the denominator by any value, then multiply to the numerator by that same value. Okay. So take 5 into 7 divided by 36 into 7 plus 6 into 6 divided by 42 into 6. Now multiplication of 5 and 7, 7 5s are 35 divided by 36 into 7, we get 252. Now next, 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36 divided by 42 into 6, we get 252. Now denominator is same, then add the numerator value, 35 plus 36, we get 71 divided by 252. Now next question is second question. There is mixed fraction is given. Okay. So first of all, we have to convert it into improper fraction. Example is 1 2 upon 3 plus 2 4 upon 5. This is in a form of mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fraction. Multiply 1 to the denominator and add the numerator value in it. Then we get improper fraction. Now 1 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. And in this way, second is also 2 into 5 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 2, we get 5 divided by 3. Plus 5 twos are 10 plus 4, we get 14 divided by 5. Now here denominator is different. Then we have to take the LCM. Okay. 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Then LCM is 15. Okay. Then multiply to the 5 divided by 3 by the 5. Then and multiply to the 14 divided by 5 by the 3. Yes. 5 into 5 divided by 3 into 5 plus 14 into 3 divided by 5 into 3. Now 5 5s are 25 divided by 3 5s are 15 plus 14 3s are 42 divided by 5 3s are 15. Now denominator is same. Then add the numerator value, 25 plus 42. Then we get 67 divided by 15. Okay. Now third example is 11 upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. Here is also denominator is different. Take LCM. Okay. 17 and 19 are also prime number. So LCM is 323. Multiply to the 11 upon 17 by 19. So 11 into 19 divided by 17 into 19 plus 13 into 17 divided by 19 into 17. When we multiply to the 11 by 19, we get 209 divided by LCM is 323 plus when we multiply to the 13 by 17, we get 221 divided by LCM is 323. Now denominator is same, and you know when denominator is same, then add numerator with numerator. Okay. 209 plus 221 divided by 323, we get 430 divided by 323. All of you understand it? Now next question is, carry out the following subtraction involving rational numbers. Now first example, 7 divided by 11 minus 3 divided by 7. This is the type of having different denominator. Okay. So first of all, we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. Okay. When we take the LCM of 11 and 7, we get 77. So multiply, take cross multiply. Multiply to them 7 by 7 divided by 11 into 7 minus 3 into 11 divided by 7 into 11. Now 7 7s are 49 divided by 11 7s are 77. Okay. Minus 11 3s are 33 and 11 7s are 77. Now our denominator is same. Then subtract the numerator value. 49 minus 33 divided by 77. Then we get, when we subtract 33 from the 49, we get 16 divided by 77. Okay. Do you understand it? Then second example, 13 upon 36 minus 2 divided by 40. Now here is also denominator is different. But see, if we can cut the value, then cut it. Suppose we can divide to the 40 by 2. Okay. Means 2 1s are 2 and 2 20s are 40. Then we get 1 upon 20. Then our example is 13 upon 36 minus 1 upon 20. Now here is also denominator is different. So make the denominator different, same. Take the LCM. Then LCM is 180. Okay. So we have to make denominator 180, multiply to the 36 by 5. When you take LCM, you can understand it why there is multiplication, multiply by 5 and 9. Okay. 13 into 5 divided by 36 into 5 minus 1 into 9 divided by 20 into 9. Then we get 13 5s are 65 upon 180 minus 9 1s are 9 divided by 29 are 180. Now denominator is same, 180. When denominator is same, then subtract the numerator value. 65 minus 9 divided by 180. When we minus 9 from 65, we get 56. Okay. Then 56 divided by 180. Now we can divide to 56 upon 180 by 4. Okay. 4 1s are 4. 1 is remaining, then 16. 4 4s are 16. Means we get 14 when we divided to 56 by 4. Then divide to 180 by 4. Then we get 4 4s are 16. 2 is remaining, then there is 0. We get 20. 4 5s are 20. Means when we divide to the 56 by 4, we get 14. And when we divide to 180 by 4, we get 45. Now our answer is 14 divided by 45. Do you understand it? Now next question, next example. Example third. Now here is given mixed fraction. First of all, we have to convert it into the improper fraction. Now our example is 1 2 upon 3 minus 3 5 upon 6. Convert it into improper fraction as like addition. Okay. In the example of addition, we have converted into improper fraction. As like this, multiply denominator to the 1 and add the numerator value. 1 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 3 into 6 plus 5 divided by 6. Then 3 1s are 3 plus 2, we get 5 divided by 3 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 5 we get 23 divided by 6. Now see here, denominator is different, but it's not necessary to take LCM in every example. We have to make denominator same. That's why when we multiply to 5 upon 3 by 2, okay, when we multiply to the 3 by 2, we get 6. Means our denominator is same. So multiply to the 5 upon 3 by 2. Okay. 5 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 minus 23 upon 6 is as it is. Now we get 5 to the 10, then 3 to the 6 minus 23 upon 6. Now our denominator is same, 6 and 6. Then minus the or subtract the numerator with numerator. 10 minus 23 upon 6. When we minus the or subtract 23 from the 10, we get minus 13 divided by 6. Okay. Then next example is 4 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3. This is in the form of mixed fraction. First of all, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So multiply 4 to the denominator. 4 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Now 4 to the 8 plus 1, we get value 9 divided by 2 minus 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, we get 10 divided by 3. Now our example, 9 upon 2 minus 10 upon 3. Now denominator is different. So take the LCM. Our LCM is 6. So multiply to the 9 upon 2 by 3. Okay. 9 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 minus 10 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. 9 3 is 27 divided by 2 3 is 6 minus 10 to the 20 divided by 3 to the 6. Now denominator is same, 6 and 6, and you know when denominator is same, then subtract the numerator value. Okay. Subtract 27, subtract 20 from the 27, we get 27 minus 20 divided by 6. When we subtract 20 from the 27, we get 7 divided by 6. Okay. All of you got it? How to subtract the rational number? Now, third question is multiply the following rational number. We have taken one example of multiplication at the starting of this lesson. Okay. See, first example, 3 into 11, sorry, 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. When we do the multiplication, it's very simple. Multiply numerator with numerator and multiply denominator with denominator. So, 3 into 2 divided by 11 into 5. Then 3 to the 6 and 11 5 is 55. Now, second example is 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Now, we can divide to the 12 and 15 by the 3. Okay. Now, 3 4 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. Okay. So, next step is 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 5. How there is 4 instead of 12? Because we divide to the 12 by 3. In the table of 3, 12 comes at the number 4. Means we get 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 5. Why there is 5 instead of 15? Because we divide to the 15 by 3. Okay. Now, multiply to the numerator. 4 4 ja, we get 16 and 5 5 ja, we get 25. Now our answer is 16 divided by 25. Then next example is, third example, -8 divided by 9 into 3 divided by 4. Now see, we can divide to -8 by 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, but there is -8, so we get -2. Now we can divide to 3 and 9 by 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So we get -2 into 1 divided by 3 into 1. 2 1s are 2, but there is minus sign to 2, then we get -2. -2 into 1, we get -2, and 3 into 1, we get 3. Now our answer is -2 divided by 3. If you have any doubts, so ask me in a chat box, okay? Then for example number 4, 0/6 into 3/4. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 0 into 3 divided by 6 into 4. Now you know, when we multiply to any number by 0, then answer is 0. 0 into 3, we get 0, and 6 4s are 24. And also, when we divide to the 0 by any number, then we get answer 0. Okay. So next question is multiplicative inverse. Okay. I think I have tell you how to take multiplicative inverse. We take the reciprocal only. Okay. First one is 2/5. Take only reciprocal. Reciprocal means take denominator as a numerator and take numerator as a denominator. Okay, means 2/5. The reciprocal of 2/5, we get 5/2. This is the multiplicative inverse. Then example number second, -3/8. Then multiplicative inverse of -3/8 is 8/-3. Then third example, -17 divided by 39. Take only reciprocal of it. Means take the numerator value to the denominator. We get 39 divided by -17. Now, next example number 4. We have given here a single number, that is 7. Only 7 is given. Okay. When there is single number is given, there is always denominator is 1 to that number. 7/1. When we take reciprocal of 7, we get 1/7. Okay. Then fifth example, which is given in the form of mixed fraction. -7, 1/3. They convert it into improper fraction. -7 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so we get -7 into 3. 7 3s are 21, but it is minus. Okay, -21 plus 1. -21 plus 1 divided by 3. When there is -21 plus 1, so do the subtraction, we get -20 divided by 3. One step is not there, but we have to take on reciprocal of this. -20/3, then we get 3/-20. This is the multiplicative inverse of -7. 1/3 is 3 divided by -20. Now, have you any question regarding this all topic? All of you understand this topic? Understand it? Have you any question?
Yes. No.
Which are the types of numbers?
Rational number. Natural number.
Yes, natural number, whole number, integers, and rational number. Okay. Then which are the 4 basic operation in a math?
Yes.
Addition,
Addition, subtraction.
Addition, subtraction,
Addition, subtraction, divide, multiplication.
these are the 4 basic operation.
Yes.
Now, which are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, and so on up to the infinity. These are the natural number. Then second is whole number. The number which is started from,
Multiply and divisor.
yes. Which are the whole numbers? That are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to
So
infinity.
5.
These are the whole number. Then integers. Which numbers are included in integers? All negative numbers, 0, and all positive number. These are the integers. Okay. If have you any doubts, so ask me in a chat box.
No.
I think all of you understand the topic. Okay.
Yes, teacher. We have no doubt.
Okay. Just revise.
What?
Listen carefully. There
Yes.
are 4 types of number. Okay. Natural
Yes.
number, whole number, then integer, and rational number. Then natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. Then whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then integers, all negative numbers, 0, and all positive numbers are the integers. And rational number, which are the rational number? The numbers which is in the form of a upon b. A and b are integers, and where b is always not equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Thanks to all children and teacher also.
Thank